Hey fellow deer roaders, here's a wood vise that I made out here in the woods. Tell you how I did this. Anyways, I found a suitable stump, and then I took a folding saw and I cut it about halfway through. And then I took my knife, I set it on top, and then I got another piece of wood and I hammered it, and I split this to where it intersected that cut. And then I took my folding saw and I cut here so I create this vise lip on it. And then I took my knife, I set it in here, and I batoned it, splitting this wood out of here. And then I took again my knife and I worked this, shaving it, shaping it a little bit. And so the way this thing functions is I got a little dowel that I set down here, and I hold it in place with a piece of paracord. And then I have the chunk that I cut out of here, it fits up here. And then I have another piece of paracord that I tie here, not real tight, and I just use just a square knot on it. Nothing, no fancy sailor knots or anything, just a basic square knot. And I have a loop tied in the end of this piece of cordage, and you'll see why I have that on there. So this ties onto here. And you take another piece of cordage and it fits up here loosely. So now to put it all together, I take a stick and I set it in here, and then take a toggle, put it up in here and start twisting. And I want this line to be up as high as I can get on it. So I start twisting, and it tightens, it'll start tightening on this. So I've got this good and tight on here, and then this other loop down here, it's just to keep this from spinning. And now I've got this vise here. If I want, I can come in and shave material off. Whatever projects that you want, you can shave. You can take a tree and turn it down to make a toothpick. It's up to you, whatever projects you want. But this is just a vise that I built out of a tree stump. So, see ya.